Number 1. 1981 Dodge D150, price $4,000, solid truck that still runs and drives very well. It comes equipped with the dependable 225 Super 6 engine, which is in good shape and has recently received several new parts, including plugs, wires, a fuel filter, cap, rotor, and coil. The truck drives smoothly down the road without any pulling or loose steering, making it a very comfortable ride for its age. The interior remains in pretty nice condition, and all of the lights are in proper working order. Originally from Alabama, the truck shows little to no rust and has an impressively solid frame, a rare find for a vehicle of this vintage. It is offered with a clean and clear Wisconsin title, making it a dependable and ready-to-drive classic pickup. Number 2. 1982 Ford F100, price $5,500. Over the years, it has received plenty of care and several important updates, including a new master cylinder, front calipers, fresh hoses, and rear shoes, ensuring dependable braking performance. The truck is also equipped with a new AC system, while the dash and door panels remain in excellent condition, reflecting how well it has been looked after. Although the seat will benefit from a new cover, the interior overall presents very nicely. Under the hood, this F100 is powered by the reliable 300 CID engine, paired with an automatic transmission that allows it to run and drive with ease. The combination makes it both practical for everyday use and enjoyable for weekend cruising. Number 3. 1985 GMC S15, price $10,000. With only 88,000 miles, it has clearly been well cared for throughout its life. The truck is powered by the dependable 4.3L V6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and features 4x4 capability, making it both versatile and enjoyable to drive. Its exterior is finished in a vibrant red, while the interior is fitted in black, offering a timeless and striking color combination. Being gasoline-powered, the truck starts easily and runs smoothly, with all systems working exactly as they should. Every detail, from the drivetrain to the interior features, speaks to how well this vehicle has been preserved. Trucks of this era and in this condition are becoming increasingly difficult to come by, making this GMC S15 not just a practical and reliable classic, but also a highly desirable piece for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate original, well-maintained vehicles. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, finished in a sleek black-on-black color combination, featuring both a black exterior and interior. It comes equipped with a factory V8 paired to a 5.3L engine and 4L60E automatic transmission. Despite showing 263,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has been exceptionally well maintained and remains completely stock, with no modifications or alterations. It offers modern conveniences such as power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, along with ice-cold air conditioning that works flawlessly. The truck runs and drives like it just rolled off the lot, with absolutely no issues to note. While the mileage may be higher, the care and regular maintenance it has received over the years make it a solid, dependable pickup that still feels like new behind the wheel. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. With 139,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly been well cared for, as it still runs and drives like new. Under the hood is the strong and reliable 5.7L 350 V8 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, both of which perform at 100%. The truck is finished in a striking gold exterior with a matching tan interior, giving it a clean and classic look that turns heads wherever it goes. Being a two-wheel drive model with an extra-long 8-foot bed, it not only carries the charm of a true American pickup but also offers plenty of practicality for hauling or daily use. The clean title in hand provides peace of mind, and its condition reflects the pride of ownership it has enjoyed. Hard to come by in this shape, this Chevy 1500 represents a true classic. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,000. It has 362,000 original miles with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 350 engine with about 170,000 miles, as the engine has been replaced. The transmission has been rebuilt, and the rear gearbox has also been replaced. The truck is two-wheel drive with good brakes and tires, recently installed U-bolts, and comes equipped with a towing package and a gooseneck ball. While reliable, it shows its age. The gas gauge and AC do not work, the heater only works on high, the seat is torn, and the headliner is coming apart. It sputters briefly when first driving off and may need a steering rod, though several steering and tie rods have already been replaced. Overall, it's an older but solid work truck with many major components already serviced. Number 7. 1964 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, with the big back window is finished in red with a gray interior. It's powered by a 350 V8 paired to a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The truck runs, drives, and stops, but it has not been inspected and is therefore not road legal. The frame is solid, though the body shows rust and bondo throughout, meaning it will need bodywork. Recent upgrades include a new radiator, water pump, hoses, brake lines, wheel cylinders, master cylinder, plugs, mirrors, wipers with new arms, windshield and door seals, sill plates, rear panhard bar, taillight lenses, fuel pump, and headlight adjusters. All fluids have been replaced, and it rides on a 3.73 rear gear with an open differential. An extra set of wheels and tires is also included. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,250, features a brown exterior, an automatic 3-speed transmission, and an Edelbrock 1407 carburetor. It has received several new parts, including a new alternator, starter, fuel pump with overflow-style filter, rebuilt carburetor, and a new heater core. Strong and responsive, it has no trouble breaking the rear tires loose under heavy throttle. On the downside, the truck occasionally surges while cruising or under load and has stalled a few times, likely due to a weak battery affecting the HEI system or a lingering carburetor issue, though it improved after the rebuild. Rust is present, especially around the firewall. Currently, only the lights and wipers are connected, and while it came with factory AC, the compressor is missing. Number 9. 1979 Chevrolet Bonanza, price $6,500. This truck is a classic pickup that captures the charm of late 70s Chevrolet styling. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable small-block V8 engine, making it both enjoyable and dependable on the road. The exterior is finished in a bold blue, perfectly complemented by a matching blue interior that maintains its vintage appeal. Running on gasoline, the truck starts easily, drives smoothly, and stops without issue. Despite its age, it remains in good condition with very little rust, which is uncommon for vehicles of this era. With a clear title in hand, this Bonanza is ready to be appreciated and driven by its next owner. Number 10. 1968 Chevrolet K20, price $10,000. It comes equipped with a manual transmission paired with a granny gear 4-speed, giving it the classic driving feel enthusiasts appreciate. Finished in brown with a black interior, the truck carries a rugged yet timeless look. The interior is basic but functional, featuring a retro-style Bluetooth radio that adds a touch of modern convenience while maintaining its vintage charm. Everything on this K20 works as it should, from its dependable gasoline-powered engine to its drum brakes on all 4 wheels. It rides on military-grade tires, enhancing both durability and presence on the road. Overall, this 1968 Chevrolet K20 stands as a reliable classic that blends utility with old-school character.